Odiochieng' manok tok jatend piny William Ruto wuoyo sirikal mare kaluwore kod ng'anyo mapek ma rowere osebedo ka bago e pachoka. Moko kuom jodolo kod josiasa okwayo jatend piny mondo oyier jotend migepe manyien manigi dimbruok mar apisi kendo ma joratiro. Jadolo mar kanisa mar Eldoret, Reverend John Kiplimo Lelei, owacho ni mibadhi osekelo ng'ikruok mathoth e sirikal, komedo ni thoth jo-Kenya koro ok oyie gi tich mar telo ma pachoka.
Hata mimi nimeongezea moja yangu.
And all the clergy.
Say thank you for coming.
Na hasa wasia yake ya siku ya leo.
The youth have spoken, the church leaders have spoken, and that what we are appealing is that as he constitutes his cabinet, he should look for people of integrity, people of respect, people who respect the church, people who respect others, and people are going to fight against corruption, because I think corruption is the worst. Anything that is destroying this country is corruption. And if you check what the youth are saying, what the church leaders are saying, what all of us are saying is corruption. Could be we have enough resources. Why can't we use it for the common good of the country? And if it's very little, can we use it also for the good of the country? So I think we pray that those who are going to be chosen will be people of integrity, who will listen to the people who are not going to post in public, but people are humble, people who are approachable, people who can listen to the people.
The new cabinet that is going to form should be devoid of politicians, so that the technocrats, the president should consider appointing technocrats with the relevant education, the relevant expertise and experience, so that they can help him to deliver on the promises that he had promised the